trade setups for today. What can we say? So I just want to get this weekly level in here because I think that's pretty critical. And there's another weekly level that I want to just draw in again. And this is right over here. Okay, I'll give them to you now. Let's just get through what's happening at the moment. So we had this range bar on Friday. So we had Thursday's massive data, our range bar on Friday of lots of indecision. And we're now bouncing off another level here. So we are below the weekly level at the moment. We've gapped below it. And we've come up to the daily level now. I just want to just fine tune that. That's our daily level right there. Now, looking at this, lower low there, it does look fairly interesting, I think. There is support here. You see this level here, which we didn't quite tag. So 2979 is the area that we're looking at right there. And obviously, this area here of 3089 is the area to the upside. Okay, so those are the two levels. This weekly level slap bang in the middle. So that's kind of where the gap closes, and I'm going to leave that now because that's something that is probably going to transpire. Okay, so first and foremost, we need to get through one of these levels as far as I'm concerned. Okay, so we do need to get below 2979. So we get below that, come back, retest, and start rolling. That's short. Okay, if we do get up above 3089 and we come back and find support there, that's long. Okay, so those are the two trade setups that we have at the moment. They're pretty clear in my mind. And then the next thing is this gap. Okay, so this gap is right on the weekly level. So the weekly level is, I mean, it's not exact. You see I've already moved it onto this swing low here, but that is a weekly level there. And that is 3027. So a couple of things that may happen today. So the first thing is this trend may continue. And at this stage, it does look like that's what's going to transpire. But it is the Asian session, and what you see there, these Asian bars here, that tight range, that's very typical of the Asian session. Nobody really knows what's going to transpire. So what may happen is we may just bounce around here, move down, find some support here at 2979, start rallying up, suck some bulls in to come and close the gap and anticipate a move higher up, and then roll down. Okay, so for as long as we are sitting between 3089 and 2979, I'm very neutral. I want to see a break up and retest for longs, and I want to see a break down and retest for shorts. That's pretty much the scenario at the moment. As far as I'm concerned, that is the clear indication of what we need to do today. If it stays in this range, so be it. Just sit and wait for it to break out of this range. But right now, that is a range, and I'm looking for breakouts and retests. That's what I'm looking to trade, and there's nothing on offer at the moment, although my bias at the moment is for a break to the downside and a retest and then short. Okay, but that may only happen at the US Open. Okay, so anyway, guys, short and sweet. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.